Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to share classification of HPLC. HPLC means high performance liquid chromatography, and it can be broadly classified into two types: normal phase HPLC and reverse phase HPLC. Moving to the normal phase HPLC, especially it contains polar stationary phase and non-polar mobile phase. Good example for polar stationary phase is silica, whereas non-polar mobile phase is hexane or toluene. Moving to the reverse phase HPLC, it makes use of non-polar stationary phase and polar mobile phase. Good example for non-polar stationary phase is C8 or C18 column, and polar mobile phase is methanol or acetonitrile. For more videos, do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.